Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you for joining me again for another cat tutorial. A shout out to my subscribers and those who stop by to watch my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Today I'm just going to be working with some regular tin foil or cooking tin foil. No thickness or anything, just your everyday dollar paper, not dollar paper, Dollar Tree type of foil. And I will be using a couple of things. I do have my 110-pound cardstock, 5.5 by 4.25 card base. I do have this from a previous video that I wanted to utilize. Of course, I have my little piece of tin foil. I have my 65-pound matted piece that I'll be using. And of course, I do have, these two pieces here. Then I have my flower die cuts that I'm going to be utilizing, and pretty much that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to adhere my foil to the piece that I will be utilizing. Again, this is very thin foil, so it's not, I guess it bends very easily. Just, to let you know that. It bends very easily, so the main thing is just making sure I get it on here so that I can get everything set up with that. So I'm putting enough here, so once I get it on, I don't want to have any bubbles or anything like that in there, so hopefully it works. So let's go ahead and put that on. And typically just also be careful because if glue gets on your hand, it's going to be a problem. So I'm just using this piece of material here just to kind of, soothe it, mash it in. Sorry, I didn't mean to block you guys. Yeah, this can also be a mirror, no telling, because it almost looks like I can see myself in this. Okay. So now that I have this on like that, I am now going to use this embossing folder by Tim Holtz, and I'm going to use I kind of like that one. It's very floral. So I'm going to use my Cuttlebug really quick like and get it through. Okay, this is so pretty. Look at this. See how pretty this is? And then now I'm going to go ahead and trim it down so that it's going to be the size of what I need. Okay, so here is the piece. We have that now. So in that way, you can see it's really, really nice and shimmery. I love that. I am going to go ahead and adhere this piece to the top of the foil like this. Okay, so let's get that done. And as anything else, because the foil is slippery, we want to make sure that we put enough, glue that it doesn't go sliding and moving all over the place instead of staying on the card, at least on the foil. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that this is done and it is ready. So you see, it's really pretty. Now it looks like I have a little extra up here, but that's okay. Once I can get it on the card base. So let's do this here. Get this stuck on the card base like this, for the pink and white. So as you can see, this so far, this is the pretty front using the tin foil. So I'm going to rest this here, and let's go ahead and go back to the Cuttlebug so I can get the couple of things that I do need. Okay guys, so I am back. Here are my pieces, right? Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of things. I'm going to start off getting my flower here, because I really, as a matter of fact, what I will do is let me put this, I'll put this on a mountain square, but I'm going to put this one in between just so that there is a little, you know, like to throw off um, the foil. So I'm going to go ahead with that. Just bear with me a moment. I'm just trying to find the right positioning for this. Okay, so that might be the best one. So as you can see, we have this pretty flower, and then I will go ahead and get this adhered to this area here. Okay, so this is kind of, I have it at the top corner here, and you can put your sentiment anywhere you like. So this is the card with tinfoil as part of the background at least. So thank you guys for joining me today and for your patience. And I shall see you guys next week Sunday. Bye.